Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good too today. Yeah.
Yay.
So, who's not coming today?
Dona. No, sir.
Why?
Sick.
Sick. Sick or six?
Six.
Six.
7.
Alright. So, today, I will give you a material about narrative text. Have you ever heard this type of text? No, never.
No.
Really?
Yes.
Allah. Alright, so
Because-
yes, fine. Alright, so before I explain it, I want all of you to stand up.
Okay. Stand up. Ice breaking aerobic.
I just want to test your focus. Yeah. So, when I say clap, you clap. Yeah.
Yeah.
But when I say claps with S, you don't need to clap.
You have to turn up the S, so you have to clap like that. So we can know the difference.
Yes, but I just wanna reduce the pattern of S. Yeah.
But if we can.
Like that. Alright, so
It's not fair actually.
so let's warm up first together.
Okay.
Try.
Clap. Clap. Claps. No, claps. Okay,
That's why you have to clap.
Claps. Claps. Clap. 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 Claps.
You should give a moment
Okay. So this is serious time, yeah?
for us to process.
Is it serious?
Yeah, serious time.
So we will get something if you.
Funny.
Yeah, you just wait.
Okay.
Alright, so
Ready.
clap. 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 Claps. Claps. Clap. Clap. Claps. Clap. Claps. Clap. Clap. Claps. Claps. Clap. Clap. Claps. Clap. 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 Okay. Sit down, yeah. Alright, so how you think? Your brain fresh, yeah?
I
No.
think you are really enjoying.
Alright, so before we start it, let's say Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, so move to materials. So what is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells of sequence of events or experiences. It can be real or fact or fictional. The goal is to entertain the reader. So you can, in this type of text, you will inject readers' feelings. Yeah. Usually involves a conflict or problem that must be resolved. Yeah. So in narrative text, usually it have some problems that need to solve by main characters. Alright, the next is structure. The first structure is orientation. Yeah. In orientation, you will introduce the setting about the story. like who's the main characters, when the events happen, or where. Then the next is complication. The complication is the emergence of a problem of conflict faced by the main characters. Yeah. So in complication, the problems usually bit by bit appears. Yeah. Until the peak. Then the next is resolution. The solution or outcome of the conflict. Yeah. So in the resolution, you can see the main characters solve the problem. Yeah. Then it have some ending. Yeah. Like happy ending, sad ending, on unresolved atau ending gantung. Then this is coda, sorry. Coda or reorientation, yeah. In reorientation or coda, you will tell about the moral lessons and the message of the story. Alright, so we move to linguistic terms. Yeah. In native text, you will use past tense. Yeah. It can be simple past, past continuous, or past perfect, or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember this. Past tense. Past tense. Yeah. Past tense. So if you're not using past, it's wrong. Then use adverb of time. Yeah, like once upon a time, suddenly, finally, the next morning. Yeah. Once upon a time, usually you find in first paragraph or the starting of the story. Then suddenly, it's usually you find in what is that? Orientation, communication. Yeah. Then uses specific participants, like or names of characters or places, like King Arthur, Lake Toba, and Rumpelstiltskin. I don't know what is that. Sorry. Then in native text you use action verbs. Yeah. The verbs that that's showing actions like run, shouted, discovered, flew. Remember? Past.
Past, yeah.
Past. Yeah.
Past.
You use run or shout, discover or fly. Yeah. But in past forms. Then the types of native text. Native text has several types. Yeah. The first, of course, factual narrative. and the next is fairy tales. Yeah, stories involving magical deeds, creatures, and reality. Usually, do you have watched like Cinderella or Tinkerbell?
Yeah.
Yes, that's fairy tales types. Yeah.
Disney.
Disney, yeah. If you like watch Disney movies, I sure you know about fairy tales. Hey, no, don't say that in my class. Alright, so next, folk tales. The traditional story specific to a region or culture. Yeah, for example, Malin Kundang. What else? You can say the example. No, Danau Toba is legends.
Oh,
It's different.
ya.
Folk tales like
Salatiga.
cerita rakyat.
Bawang merah, bawang putih.
Yes. Bawang merah bawang putih.
Salatiga.
Salatiga is Indonesian.
Oh,
Ya.
kayak
Then the legend. Now the difference is the legend is stories about the origin of a place or phenomenon. For example, the legend of Wilsyah Fasil, for example. Just as
What
example.
about Malin Kundang? Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Malin is not the places, but it's stories that
Ikra Justika.
what diturunkan turun temurun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then the fables, yeah, stories about animals. So the characters is just animals, all animals. Like, yeah, si kancil, you know, the stories from Malaysia pada zaman dahulu. Ya pada zaman dahulu. Ya.
Actually, that's origin in Indonesia, sir. From Indonesia.
Really?
My grand
Oh ya.
knows about that.
Yeah,
Before
maybe-
that film.
Oh, yeah. Maybe Indonesia and Malaysia have similar stories about that.
Yay.
Then myths.
Yes. With
The stories about gods, goddesses, and supernatural beings.
Zeus.
Mythos. Zeus. But don't say that in Yunani person ya. Mereka kan singgung nanti.
Really?
Yes, because they think this is their god. Zeus.
Oh, not myth.
Yes.
Oh.
Myth.
Legend.
But we say it might ya.
Yeah.
Odysseus.
Tergantung pesan sih.
They think that Zeus is God,
Yeah.
and we say that Zeus is myth. What do you think? They must be curious, myth.
Alright, so the next is sci-fi or science fictions or fantasy. That's fictional stories based on imagined future science or magic. Marvel, yeah, Spider-Man, what else?
Spider-Man.
Yes, Avengers lah. Then Star Wars.
Satria Baja Hitam.
Satria Baja Hitam. Yeah, sci-fi, yeah, that's right.
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi, mas kan. Then fantasy.
Is it the same?
But in some condition, fantasy can combine by fairy tales. Yeah. Like knight, queens, and kingdom. Like Cinderella, it's
No, Narnia.
Narnia. Yes, that's fantasy. Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter,
Potter.
Potter.
It's Leviosa.
Oh, udah habis.
No, Leviosa.
Alright, so now I want give task to you.
Okay.
Berapa menit masih ada? I need make you from to several groups. One groups includes 2 person. Yeah, Mas Dika, you can join with novels group. Yeah. Alright. Narrative text. Yeah. Then I want you come forward to tell it in front of the class. Yeah. Alright, you can do it. Now, come on.
Males ya. Tidak usah anak ikan. Apa ya?
It's up to you guys. I just wanna see what your taste like.
Fairy tales aja so we can. Boleh di princess. Nah, princess. Tinkerbell. No. Lepas itu siapa fairy-nya kita pakai ini aja. Snow White.
Terus
Opening is like. Opening is cartoon. Is it?
Is it narrative text? I don't think so.
Yes, opinion can, yeah, because it's not fictional.
So,
So understand the story, yeah. Right.
so it in what category?
Yeah, according to your story, it can be you can
Oh,
fables.
Upin yang di hutan itu.
And say it can be like apa tadi kemarin.
Apa kita? Aduh, TikTok. Pendek-pendek aja lah.
To be smart,
Si kancil.
Sumpah, HP ku kalau dingin ikut nge-lag. Nge-freeze. Kenapa? Gak tahu ini lo liatin. Oh, ini bisa. King Arthur and Excalibur. Wah, the story of Prometheus. I don't even know what the story was. Demi Allah nge-lag. Wow, Lord. I swear to God.
The Rabbit and the Turtle. The Legend of Surabaya.
Kamu jadi suruh aku ya?
Boleh. Suruh.
Do we have to role play the character or just
yeah, it's up to you. And you can make it as dialogue or monologue.
Like the Rabbit and the Turtle.
monologue, so we retell the story?
Yes.
The Legend of Surabaya. The Ugly Duckling.
The ugly.
One.
But if you using dialogue, don't forget about the narration, yeah. Don't just using dialogue.
The Ugly Duckling.
The ugly duckling. Bawang merah, bawang putih, malas. All of them are overrated.
Or Jonggrang.
Ini King Arthur and Excalibur. Boleh pendek banget. King Arthur was the legendary king of Britain.
1 minute more.
Tapi nggak tahu retail atau dialog.
Rita.
The story of Prometheus was a god in Greek mythology who can fight humans with endurance of the gods. And his name was chained to a rock, and an eagle was sent to eat his liver. Is it like Atlas? Oh, Persephone! Iya. The Time Machine. Ini cakep nih. Apa The American Revolution? Wah, this is Inggris.
The Lion and Mouse.
The Story of Persephone. Kita harus program kali.
Alright, finish. I'll choose your groups randomly, yeah.
Okay.
So the first groups, Lutfia's groups. Come on.
Yay! Yay!
Chose one the correct.
Oh, the pass. We want to tell a story, namely a fable. The title is The Mouse and the Lion.
One afternoon, Tinny Mouse ran around the lion house, and the lion was sleeping, and then because of the disturbing of the mouse, the lion woke up, and then the lion said, "Why who disturbed my sleep?" And then the mouse said that one day, Zeus, if the lion let the mouse go, the mouse would help the lion.
And then one day, the lion had trapped in a net, and then the mouse suddenly appeared, and the mouse wanted to help the lion by biting the net, and then the lion could escape. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, so give us. The next group is Dika's group. Please coming forward.
Go novel, go.
Okay, sir. The title is Cinderella.
Yeah.
First type of the story is fairy tale. Once upon a time, there was a single father with a very beautiful daughter named Cinderella. Her mother had rested in a peace in heaven. The father looked for a new wife to take care of the home and his daughter when he worked at the day. The father got a wife with two daughters with the same age of her daughter. For a couple of months after marriage, the father passed away. After that, the stepmother and sister of Cinderella showed their real face.
Cinderella was treated like a helper to do all of housework from early morning until night, while the stepmother and the stepsister were only having fun all the day. One day, the king created a dance party to find the most beautiful girl to be prince's wife. The king invited all people in the country, especially the who had daughters. Butter in British action. Yes, that's all the narrative text about Cinderella.
Okay, give applause, guys.
Done. Yay!
Alright, so for the next group, we'll present next meeting, yeah?
Yay! Okay.
Okay. I think you have understand about narrative text, yeah? Your storytelling is okay, good, I think, yeah? That's clear. But you need to improve to the next meeting, yeah? For the next group. Alright, so before we close our class, let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.